Chapter 11 Comparison of Adjectives. Look at the pictures and read the sentences. Seema is a tall girl. Tina is taller than Seema. Rashmi is the tallest of the three girls. The first sentence is Seema is a tall girl. Here, we do not compare Seema with any other girl. We simply say that Seema is tall. The second sentence is Tina is taller than Seema. Here, we compare the two girls, Seema and Tina. We say that one is taller than the other. The third sentence is Rashmi is the tallest of the three girls. Here, we compare the three girls, Seema, Tina and Rashmi. We say that Rashmi is the tallest of the three girls. Thus, we see that adjective tall changes its forms when comparison is made. Its forms are tall, taller, tallest. We can say that adjectives have 3 degrees of comparison. The adjective tall is said to be in the positive degree. It simply tells the presence of some quality in a person or thing we speak about. We use the positive degree when no comparison is made. The adjective taller is said to be in the comparative degree. It tells a higher degree of quality than the positive degree. We use the comparative degree when we compare two persons or things. The adjective tallest is said to be in the superlative degree. It tells the highest degree of quality. We use superlative degree when we compare more than two persons or things. Always remember, we use than after the comparative degree of an adjective. We use the before superlative degree of an adjective, forming comparative and superlative. With most adjectives, we add er to form the comparative degree and est to form the superlative degree. Positive, comparative, superlative. Bright, brighter, brightest. Broad, broader, broadest. Cheap, cheaper, cheapest. Dark, darker, darkest. High, higher, highest. Light, lighter, lightest. Small, smaller, smallest. Tall, taller, tallest. If the adjective ends in e, we just add r to form the comparative and st to form the superlative degree. Positive, comparative, superlative. Close, closer, closest. Fine, finer, finest. Large, larger, largest. Noble, nobler, noblest. Safe, safer, safest. Wise, wiser, wisest. With a short adjective that ends in a consonant and has a vowel before the last consonant, we double the consonant and then add er to make the comparative and est to make the superlative degree. Positive, comparative, superlative. Big, bigger, biggest. Fat, fatter, fattest. Hot, hotter, hottest. Red, redder, reddest. Sad, sadder, saddest. Slim, slimmer, slimmest. Thin, thinner, thinnest. Wet, wetter, wettest. Adjectives that end in y have a special rule for the comparative and superlative degrees. We change the y into I and add er and est to make comparative and superlative respectively. Positive, comparative, superlative. Busy, busier, busiest. Easy, easier, easiest. Happy, happier, happiest. Heavy, heavier, heaviest. Juicy, juicier, juiciest. Lovely, lovelier, loveliest. Pretty, prettier, prettiest. For many adjectives, we use more to form the comparative and most to form the superlative degree. Positive, comparative, superlative, active, more active, most active, beautiful, more beautiful, most beautiful, handsome, more handsome, most handsome, interesting, more interesting, most interesting, precious, more precious, most precious, wonderful, more wonderful, most wonderful. Irregular comparative and superlative degrees. Some adjectives do not form their comparative and superlative degrees in any of the ways described earlier. The comparative and superlative degrees of these adjectives are different words called irregular forms: positive, comparative, superlative, bad, worse, worst, far, farther, further, farthest, furthest, good, better, best, little, less, least, many, more, most.